Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the new chapter number 2, that is acids, bases and salts. So first of all, I just want to tell you that there are two types of properties of acids and bases, that is physical properties and chemical properties. So firstly we'll do the physical properties of acids. So acids are sour in taste. As we see in the lemon has the acid which is known as the citric acid, and the curd also have acids. That is the lactobacillus bacteria change the milk into the curd. Milk has the lactic acid. Curd has the lactic acids. So acids are sour in taste, खट्टे होते हैं. Turn the blue litmus to red and give the hydrogen ions in aqueous solution and they corrode metals. Corrode means खराब करना metal को. We have done the corrosion. Examples: hydrochloric acids, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, etc. So here also there are two types of acids, strong and the weak acids. Strong acids होते हैं बेटा जो पूरी तरह से dissociate हो जाते हैं ions में. So these are the strong acids. Weak acids जो partially dissociate होते हैं. ठीक है. और दो तरह के acids और होते हैं, that is the concentrated and the dilute acid. Here you can see concentrated acid in which the amount of water is less than acid, but in which the water amount is more than that of the acid, that is the dilute acid. We have to dilute the acid by adding the water. Means we can convert the concentrated acid into the dilute acid by adding the water. So there is a question कि while dilution the acid, why must we add the acid to water, not water to acids? Because it is a highly exothermic reaction. If we add water to acids, then large amount of heat is evolved and which can burn our skin also. No doubt, while adding the acid to water, it is also an exothermic reaction, but as much heat is evolved, it is absorbed by the large amount of water. Then properties, physical properties of base. Bases are bitter in taste, कड़वे होते हैं. They turn the red litmus to blue. They give the hydroxyl ion OH negative ions in aqueous solution and soapy to touch. Means उनकी feeling हाथ लगाओ तो ऐसे लगता है soap है. So examples again, strong and the weak bases. Strong bases में NaOH means sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide. So one more question it is there, that is alkali. What are alkalis? कुछ जो बेस है वो वाटर में soluble होते हैं, which are known as a alkali. So water soluble bases are known as a alkali. Then indicators. So types of indicators दोनों करने हमने. Indicators वो solutions, वो substances होते हैं which change their color when they are put in the different types of the substances. Means they tell us whether the given substance is acid or base by changing the color. So type के indicators के natural indicators जो कि nature में मिलते हैं plant से, they are the natural indicator. Example है litmus, turmeric, हल्दी. Litmus का acids में color आएगा red, and when they will put in the bases, they will turn the blue. Same way turmeric will be yellow in color when it will be in the acid, and it will turn the reddish brown. हम देखते हैं कि हल्दी का दाग जब हम धोते हैं साबुन से, it will turn the reddish brown color. Means soap has the base, so that's why its color is reddish brown. Now the synthetic indicators, these are the chemical substances which are not obtained from the nature. The examples are methyl orange and the phenolphthalein. So same, they change the color in the acids and bases. Then the olfactory indicators. Indicators which has a different colors in the acids and bases. Smells. Odor means smell. Vanilla extract, clove extract, onion extract. So in तीनों की जो smell है, जो odor है, that will remain same in the acids. But they will have no smell, no odor when they will put in the base. So these are the olfactory indicators. One more type of indicator is here, that is a universal indicator. In the universal indicator we can come to know about the strength. Strength means कितना strong है या कितना weak है वो acid या base. So that will tell the strength of acid and base. So it will be represented by the pH value. pH वैल्यू से हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो उसमें 14 वैल्यूज़ होती हैं. 7 इज़ द नॉर्मल वैल्यू. बिलो 7 ऑल आर एसिड्स एंड अबव 7 मीन्स 8 to 14 दे आर द बेसिस. राइट हैंड साइड पे जैसे जैसे हम जाते हैं बेसिस स्ट्रॉन्ग होते जाते हैं. सेम वे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जैसे जैसे हम लो वैल्यू की तरफ जाते हैं मीन्स वैल्यू 1 हैज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एसिड. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ indicators. So that's all for today and just revise, this is a easy topic. So कल हम इसकी करेंगे chemical properties. Fine बेटे, just do revise. Thank you.